To unlock the energy of godhood, humanity must make a terrifying choice. We have to completely destroy the planet Mercury. Human civilization is a paradox. Our species possesses an unstoppable ambition, but our entire future is handcuffed to finite, primitive resources. We are starving in the middle of a cosmic buffet. Right now, the sun outputs more energy in a single second than humanity has consumed in its entire history. Yet, we let 99% of it escape into empty space. But a quantum leap in engineering can capture it all. This is the Dyson sphere. By enclosing our host star within an orbital megastructure, we instantly transition from a fragile, planet-bound species into an indestructible, Type 2 galactic civilization. Building it isn't just an engineering challenge. It is the ultimate rite of passage for a species determined to conquer the stars. The logic behind a Dyson sphere is frequently misunderstood. When popular sci-fi visualizes a solid shell, it is wrong. A rigid structure is theoretically impossible. Gravitational forces would create catastrophic tensile stresses, instantly ripping a solid shell to shreds. The real blueprint is the Dyson swarm. This isn't one object. It's an unthinkably vast fleet of independent, lightweight satellites. Each sat, some the size of Manhattan, captures starlight and relays it in real time to receiving stations on Earth or across the solar system. Trillions of these mirrors, separated by miles, form a decentralized, unstoppable energy network. Building a structure that must absorb yottawatts requires materials on a scale humanity cannot launch from Earth. We have to manufacture the swarm in deep space, and we need a mining quarry. This is why we have to destroy Mercury. It is the perfect sacrifice, rich in iron and silicon, and positioned extremely close to the source of limitless construction power. Mercury isn't a planet anymore. It is raw material for a cosmic power plant. Using Mercury's mass, we can build the first Dyson ring in just decades. Over the next few centuries, automated factories consume the rest of the planet, exponentially scaling up construction until the swarm fully encloses the star. We trade one barren rock for galactic energy dominion. Once the swarm reaches just 10% coverage, humanity's energy starvation ends forever. The great galactic surrender begins. Limitless energy means limitless manufacturing. We can build fleets of terraforming drones, launch multi-mile-long generation ships to Alpha Centauri, and shield Mars from solar wind in real time. The Dyson sphere turns the void of space into our open highway. We become masters of matter and light, finally unbound from the ecological constraints of a single planet, transitioning into an unstoppable interstellar species. But constructing an engine capable of powering godhood comes with a devastating cosmic catch that could vaporize all life in our solar system, turning our dream into a planetary kill switch. In a swarm of trillions, stability is a math problem we might not be smart enough to solve. If just one city-sized sat experiences a steering failure, or is hit by a random micrometeorite, it can drift into its neighbor. At orbital speeds, this collision doesn't create debris. It creates a plasma explosion that triggers a cascading chain reaction. The collision cascades along the entire inner ring. Within seconds, the brilliant, orderly swarm collapses into a chaotic, molten cloud of white-hot shrapnel. The entire swarm doesn't just lose power. It becomes a dense, chaotic, weaponized debris field, trapping Earth and every colony inside a self-induced shell of molten iron. The focused energy beams that once powered our civilization would drift, accidentally flash-cooking Mars, the Moon, or Earth. In engineering godhood, we might accidentally engineer the perfect apocalypse, one minor orbital drift away from planetary obliteration. To claim dominion over a star, we must learn to balance its volatility against our own ambition. Let's hope we are ready. If you are ready to explore the absolute bleeding edge of future tech and cosmic survival, smash that subscribe button and hit a like right now. See you on the frontier.